In today's show, we're going to make this very demure, very mindful set. Sit tight. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful glam squad. My name is Gigi, and I have had these water decals forever. And I thought it's time to make a demure set to go with them. Although, honestly, these did not really come out that demure. We are going to do a little French on all of these. We're going to do 3 with this beautiful white color. Don't forget to really just refine those lines, make them a little nicer. I still, even after all these years, struggle with making really pretty Frenches. So it's always a little practice session for me when I make a French. And every time it gets a little better. But, I could still use some work on it. So that's why we're going to add the silver that we're going to add shortly. Just to make my lines a little better. You'll see. But on these other 2, we're going to do blue at the top French, because these nails are going to be all blue and white. They are just stunning. I cannot stop looking at this set. I absolutely love them. I could never wear a set this pointy, ever. I would totally lose an eye or stab myself in the heart or something. Now we're going to come in and reverse everything. Where there is white at the top, there will be blue at the bottom. And this is a very beautiful electric-y style blue, and I think it matches very well with our water decals. This set may seem very dramatic, and it is so dramatic, but it was so easy to accomplish, and that is thanks to the water decals, which are so fun to use. I have tons of them, and I am enjoying using them. I have a whole very small set of just Halloween ones, and if you are watching the shorts, you're going to see a lot of those in the next few days. I love water decals. If you're in a hurry or you suck at nail art, which some things I'm better at than others, having a handy set of decals is going to give you really artsy nails without having to spend a lot of time or a lot of headache. When I'm doing nail art, there's a lot of wiping off and starting over, right? And that's fine. If you've got time for that, do that, because it really does make a difference, the practice. Here's that silver I was talking about. But if you're short on time or short on artistic talent, water decals or stamping or stickers, all of those are your friends. And even just encapsulating with really pretty things, also a really good friend. Really good friend to those of us who are artistically challenged. Although I do keep trying. So as you can see, we are just cutting out our water decals. You just take out the ones you like. There's always a thin film of like Mylar or something over the top of the water decal. Make sure that you don't cut that as well and take it with your water decal, because your decal will come off on that and it can get stuck on there and it's hard to get it off. So just save yourself the headache. Make sure you take that off. So we are going to do the little cute squares on all the white Frenches, and on the blue Frenches we're just going to put the flowers coming down the nail. These would not show up very much, if at all, on the blue, so we're not wasting any time with that. We're just putting them straight on the white, which is where they're going to show up and look the most like a set of china. And as you can see, this took no time at all. The water decals actually come loose very quickly. The only thing you're really watching for when you pop them in the water is to see that the backing paper is saturated with water, that it's fully wet, and then your decal is going to come right off. Now to finish this set, we're just going to add a little bit of gems, and same as we've already done, blue on the white, white on the blue. That's right, and look how pretty that came out. This is more of a milky white, but I think it goes really well with this set because it almost has a blue sort of tint to it. I am sorry I was out of frame when I did the top coat on the pinky nail, so there is no footage of that. These nails are very difficult to get fully in frame and a close-up picture because they're just so long. These are extra long tips, and they're really fun to work with. Guys, I love this set. Let me know that was a Jake hair. Let me know what you think of these very demure and mindful nails in the comment section below. Would you wear these? Are they too much? They're way too much for me, but I feel like I'd want to try. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We are going to see you in the next video. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful week. Mwah! Bye-bye.